After powering on the remote controller, position the antennas upright and ensure the E and F levers are centered. Click the on-off button and wait more than 30 seconds to receive the signal. Follow the video tutorial to connect the marker for marking tasks. When the handheld mapper reaches each marking point, it needs to stay for 3 to 5 seconds to strengthen the signal before marking. Mark the obstacle. Retrieve the recently marked plot for planning. Adjust heading angle. Adjust spray width. Adjust speed. Reverse starting position. Obstacle avoidance bypass mode. Reduce working area. Expand obstacle area. After completing the settings, click on Start Work. After checking the water pump, position the F lever to the middle. The drone will then automatically activate the pump for spraying during autonomous operation. Manual takeoff. When the drone bypasses an obstacle, it will automatically shut off the water pump and stop spraying. Once it moves away from the obstacle, the drone will automatically resume spraying. After the drone hovers, it should be manually pulled back. Upon completing the refilling process, the drone will autonomously navigate back to the previous interruption point in its flight path to continue the spraying operation. After forming a breakpoint, the drone has two return methods: a manual pullback during hover or an automatic return to home.